So welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Estee Lauder 2019 holiday kit, y'all. I usually get one of these every year or every other year because I just love Estee Lauder products, and this is the best way to get a lot of the little products that you like for the low because Estee Lauder is high end. To me, it's high end and it's expensive, but I love every year. I love when the makeup brands and companies put out their holiday packages. But by far, I think Estee Lauder has the best one. I love their eyeshadows. I love their lipsticks. I love their advanced night repair cream. The night repair serum, y'all, that alone is worth the price of the box. Like, if you just get that right there is basically the price of the box because it's awesome. They have a mascara. They have the gentle eye makeup remover. Y'all, that eye makeup remover is bomb. Honey, it is bomb.com. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show y'all the holiday collection. I started to open it, but I was like, I'm going to do an unboxing. So, yeah. So, this is what it looks like. And on base, it was like $55. It's a little bit more out on the economy, but this is one of my birthday gifts, y'all. I was so excited when I opened the bag and I saw what it was. So one thing I love about the Estee Lauder pouch Christmas giveaway, not giveaway, but the Christmas editions is that they always give you a really nice makeup case. I have 3 makeup cases that I still use to this day that are very sturdy and durable. And I just collect these. Like, I have like 4 of them. This is number 4. And y'all, this is so pretty. It's red. I think this year they went with like the spades, like the spade, the deck of card theme. So you guys can see it's got like the little spades and the diamonds on there. Y'all, I love playing spades. But I just thought that this was cute. And then it's got like a little metal card on there. So I love it. And it's Estee Lauder. So the products are phenomenal. I can never say anything. Like, Estee Lauder is my favorite, my go-to foundation. Like, if I want my face to stay all day, if I want my face to lay, not move, I love the Estee Lauder Longwear, y'all. But I mean, I love it so much until, usually I buy foundations in one tone. I love the Estee Lauder foundation so much until I have 2 different shades. I have my summer shade and my winter shade, and I mix those 2 to get my fall shade. So that just lets y'all know how much I love Estee Lauder. I can't afford her all the time, so when they put out the holiday packages, I definitely scoop them up. And I think Estee Lauder is good because it's for the mature woman and for the young woman. Anybody can wear it. So this collection is called Gifts to Win Her Heart, Estee Lauder. I guess that's what it's called, the after party. So yeah, this is it. This comes in a little box. And it just tells you what's all in here. Get glow. Ready to get started. Nude looks, honey. Glam looks. So you got a glam look, a nude look. And I guess this is it. So this is the pamphlet right here. Trying not to drop it. And honey, I've been waiting to open this so I can show y'all, because I like to use it. Like this night cream, like the night serum, I run out of it and I just cry because I literally cannot afford to go out and buy anymore. But every year I start out the year great with it after my birthday. So this is what comes in the kit, and it's all nice and packaged and everything. Like, I always every time I get these, since I've been doing YouTube, I always be like, ooh, it looks like a little PR kit, because a lot of times when you get products from the store, it's just like regular, and then you look at YouTubers and other YouTubers and they get like the PR kits and it just looks so exciting. So this is like, ooh, a fake PR kit, but it's not. But I'm gonna act like it is because it's all staged and cute. But yeah, this is what's all in the package. I'll let you guys see. So you have 2 eyeshadow palettes. You have the Revitalizing Serum, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. You have the Advanced Night Repair Serum. This right here, y'all. This Get y'all so y'all can see this, okay? This right here will take your skin to the next level. Like, if you can't get anything from Estee Lauder, save your coins, sis. Because this right here is by far one of the best products I've ever used on my skin. Like, when I get this stuff, I cherish it. Like, I hold on to it. The night cream, I can't afford it either. So I only use this like on days like I know if I got like pictures or something, or it's something really important going on, I can't get it out the box. The night repair serum. Oh, it's in there too, y'all. This one right here, I love this. Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Y'all, this stuff right here up under your under eye, I would rub it on the back of my hand so I can show y'all how it works, but honey, it's too expensive. That eye cream is gold, okay? I love using the eye cream and the serum. And this one right here, the revitalizing serum, anti-aging cell pop, y'all. This one right here, it's the bomb. Like, that's about, you know, if you stretch it out about 3 weeks worth, because it only take a little, honey. And then we got a lip gloss in here this year. Usually they have a couple of lip glosses. This year they only had one, but they had 3 lipsticks. Every year is different. So let's see. And they always have like a nude lip gloss. So let's see. This one is Envy. Ooh. Envy is a nude. I like nude lip glosses because you can put them over other colors and it kind of make them pop. It's like a really like clear gloss. But yeah, I like this. She's gonna go on the dresser with the rest of them. What else we got? This mascara. This is a good mascara. I love this mascara. I'm actually not gonna open it until I'm ready to use it, but just know that this mascara is the bomb. This right here is good. Especially like I don't wear a lot of lashes anymore, so this one really makes my eyes pop. Sis, eyes be popping. Now this eye makeup remover, if I had the coins, I would buy this because when I use this, it doesn't strip your skin of your natural oils. Like, it removes the makeup, but your face don't feel dry, it don't feel cracked and flaky. And this is the Estee Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. And y'all, this stuff, sometimes when you use makeup remover, eye remover, it dries your under eyes out. It makes it all cracked and dry. And I just love this. Now, I use I want to say it's the Garnier. I can't think of the name of the other one I use when I don't have this, which is I can get it at Walgreens. It's just as good, but this is even better because it doesn't leave your under eye dry and cracked. And you know, when you're removing makeup from your under eye and on your eye, especially if you are over 30, you don't want anything tugging or something you gotta pull. You want something that you just put on there and kind of just like wipe off. So that's why I love this. Like, you put this on a cotton round, you know, give it a good shake and just sit it there for a second. Do like a up because you want to go up. Honey, it take everything off. I love it. I love it. Let's get into these eyeshadow palettes. I love Estee Lauder eyeshadows, but they are hella expensive, y'all. I just ain't got them kind of coins. So they have 2 palettes. Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy, Eye and Cheek, Nude. They're both nude. This is the nude and this is Glam. So let's check out Glam. Oh my goodness. Y'all, the colors are so pretty. This would be more of my everyday palette. Let me set this back on the dresser before I drop it. This would be like more of an everyday palette for me. I love these kind of colors. Oh my god. And this blush, I really can't do much with this blush, but sis, it's pigmented. Like, where did I put it? I'm not good at doing swatches, y'all. So yeah, so you can see that's a really pretty one. This gold color, what's that gold color called? It's just Shadow number 7. But yo, I like that. That would be a pretty highlighter. Yeah, I'm not good at doing swatches, okay? So, you know, bear with me. That gold color is popping right there. That would do a pretty crease color. And then I like these pearl, like, pinkish colors. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let me see if y'all can see that. I'm horrible with swatches. But their pigments, like, are really beautiful. But I love this one. So, this is the palette called Glam. I like that one. I'm definitely going to be using this one soon. If y'all want to see a makeup look with that palette, let me know. Because we can do them now. This is the what? Nude palette. So, yeah, I can see why this is nude. It's got a lot of nude colors. This is, I probably won't get much use out of this palette. Probably like for like highlights or crease colors. I'm not really feeling that blush. To me, that blush looks more like a, okay, so it's an all over shimmer. So it's like a shimmer, it's like a highlighter. So yeah, let's see what that do. Yeah, you can't really see that. That's not chocolate girl friendly. That's not caramel girl friendly, okay? But I like this palette. But I think my favorite one is going to be the Glam palette out of these two. And we have 3 lipsticks. Oh. Okay, so let's see. Which one do we have first? And they're all kind of in the red family. Rebel Rose, Intense Nude, and Precision. I can't read that, y'all. So yeah, let's just look at the colors. So this is like it's like a bright. It's like a burnt orange color. That's more like a burnt red. I like that. If you're not into like red, that's a really pretty one. And what is this? That's the rose. So this is gonna be like a dark pink. Now I want to say they kind of look alike. Yeah. So I like that. With that gloss, that would be really pretty. Okay, let's see. And this is the nude. I like the nude. I like a dark, like, lip liner with that. But they're all in the same family. Like, you know, I wish this one would have been a little bit more redder. But, you know, hey, that's what it is. So, I know this video is not that long. It's like 13 minutes long. But I just wanted to do an unboxing of the Estee Lauder Holiday gift set, honey. Because, you know, your girl, I'm on a budget. And I was just happy to get that for my birthday. Shouts out to the hubby for that, because you know he knows that I like to like stack up on my makeup, and that is just fascinating, darling. Fascinating. I love that. I also got, well, I know this is Estee Lauder, but I'll show y'all one more palette I got for my birthday, and it's the Morphe Artist Palette. It's the 39S. I love this. I used it today for this look that I have on. But yeah, this is the other palette I got for my birthday. Y'all, it's fly. I can't think of who the collab was with, but y'all, it's fire. How y'all like my eyes? But yeah, I use this palette to get my eye look today. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I love y'all. I hope you guys are enjoying seeing me in like the beauty room or the studio. I got a couple more changes that I'm gonna finish making in here, but thank you guys for tuning in. I'm trying to bring out different content, so bear with your girl, you know what I'm saying? Bear with your girl, you know what I'm saying? But I love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. If you're looking for some makeup for a friend or just something to get yourself, I feel like the Estee Lauder holiday kit, collection kit is like bomb. Okay, so don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. I think it's worth splurging on. The eye serum, that little bit of eye serum, just take a little bit of dot, honey, and it is magnificent. That night, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair, this alone is worth the price of the box. So if you went out and bought this, you would be paying the same amount for this same bottle if you just went ahead and got the set. So that in itself is a steal. Like this is the reason I want the box, not really for like the eyeshadow or the lipstick. And for this, sis. So yeah, this is goals. Like this is for mature skin. Like I'm 35. And I started using this when I was 29, and I swear by it. Like, I can't afford it all the time, but when I can get my hands on it, I treasure it, okay? And it take 2 drops, and you good. You Gucci, okay? This right here, I swear by. Anyway, I love you guys. Let me wrap this video. I love you guys. Thumbs up this video. Go to the stores. Check out the holiday makeup gift sets, because this is the best time of the year to get those type of things. Everybody loves them. That it's a good way to try new makeup brands that you haven't tried before. Some of the sizes are smaller, but you know, it's a good way to try high-end brands to break into them. That's how I get my high-end makeup, most of it. So yeah, with that being said, I'll see you later. Smoochies.